Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to buy Minecraft Java Edition with Amazon gift card. So let's get started. Alright guys, so first of all just open up your internet browser and go to amazon.com and now just search for Minecraft um, Java Edition here. Um, and now just select Windows here and it should give you Windows actually let me select the correct one. Okay, so for some reason it's not actually, yeah. Okay, so now just select on Windows digital code like this and then just buy it with an Amazon gift card. If you don't know how to redeem an Amazon gift card, just log in into your account and hover over your account, then go to account and now just go to your payments and click on add rewards and balances and then just click on redeem a gift card and then just type in your Amazon gift cards code here and then apply to balance and then just buy this Minecraft Windows digital code. So once you have bought this digital code, just go to minecraft.com, click on redeem in the top right corner like this and now just put in your Minecraft code here and click on submit, and this is how you buy Minecraft Java Edition with an Amazon gift card. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, have a nice day, peace.